What is up, everybody? Getting a before and after. Got these two lights for taking off. These orange ones. Changing those to LEDs. Getting this exhaust out. I was going to do the M4 slip-on street flare, but now going to do the Akrapovic full racing, full GP exhaust. Quiet right now, but it's gonna get louder very soon. Damn, she's dirty. This is before and after. You guys are already seen the before. This is after some of the upgrades. Definitely got new tires. Stock ones were done for a while. Got some of the new wheel stickers. Yeah, they do make it go faster. That's proven. The Akrapovic full exhaust. Got rid of that stock one, like we said we were gonna do. Also got the big old bulky lights taken off there. New brake levers. I don't like these mounts. I gotta take that off. And then with the exhaust, O2 Eliminator and a power commander, so definitely less popping in the high RPMs, but that's about all I'm gonna do to it for now. I'm not gonna put any more money into this. I'll probably save our next winter, probably bump up to maybe R7. We're also looking at some Kawasaki's, so we'll see, but definitely ready to take a step up to the mid-range. But I love it, man. Started out on it. I don't regret it. Got it last January, end of January, so almost a year. Almost a complete year, and we've already put 7,700 miles on it. So, and yeah, let's start her up. You guys can hear it. I've already posted other videos with the exhaust and revs and shit, but here you go.